Team India has won a gold medal in the open section of the 2024 Olympiad. Not only that, the women's team of India has also won a gold medal at the 2024 Chess Olympiad. Let's go. Let's go. What makes this victory very special? I think there are a bunch of reasons. First of all, this is the first time the women's team has won the gold medal. Also, it is the first time that the men's team has won the gold medal. If you remember, in 2022, both the teams won bronze, even though they were very, very close to the gold medal. This time, however, our team has made sure we have gold medals in both these categories. Secondly, it is very rare for the same country to win a gold medal in both these sections. Our team has done it this time. Another thing is the way in which our team has dominated this entire event. Okay. For example, if you take a look at the final ranking list of the open section of the Olympiad, here you will see India scored 21 points out of 22 possible points. So Team India basically won with a margin of 4 extra points. Basically, for every win you get 2 points, for a loss you get 0, and for a draw you get 1 point. And if you can see here, these are all the round numbers you see at the top. India was completely winning till round number 8. In fact, in round number 7, we scored a very important victory against China, thanks to Gukesh playing that masterful endgame against Wei. 2 knights defeating the rook. And in round number 9, actually, we faced a very strong Uzbek team. And if some of you may remember that Uzbek is the same team that had defeated India at the past Olympiad. However, the main test of Team India came in round number 10 when we were up against United States of America. India won that match, and after that, in round number 11, the last round, India just completely decimated the opposition. There were some important personal milestones as well, and if I just go to the live ratings here, you will see that Arjun Erigaisi is world number 3 and he has a rating of 2797. So he's just 2 victories away from reaching 2800. At the same time, Gukesh is world number 5 and he has a rating of 2794. He's gonna play a World Chess Championship match against Ding Liren in December. And if Gukesh keeps up his form, he'll not only win that World Championship match, he may very well cross 2800 as well. 2800, for those of you who don't know, is a club of players who are like considered legends. If you enter 2800, you're automatically a legend, because very few players have been able to do that. The only other Indian who has done that is, of course, the father of Indian chess, as many like to call him, Vishy Anand. But now we already have 2 Indians who are, very close to breaking that 2800. So we had some important personal milestones for the open section team of India. But credit goes to the entire team and the team captains and the seconds who helped the team play well. At the same time, if you go to the women's section of the Olympiad, here once again you see India scored 19 points, 1 more point than the second place finished and 1 more point than the third place finished, and secured the gold medal. And if you once again see the entire journey till round number 7, India was completely dominating. It just looked like India was going to run away with another gold medal in the women's section, just like they did in the men's section. However, in round number 8, we faced a tough loss to Poland here. Then in round number 9, the women's team were actually under pressure since board number 1 we had kind of lost. However, Vantika was able to make a comeback and score a very, very crucial victory on her board, and that helped us tie the match against the United States. And then in round number 10, India won against China. And in round number 11, it was like complete decimation of the opponent. And we scored 19 points out of 22. So a very, very important victory for the women's team as well. And I hope that this will inspire the new generation to play chess. There was one generation that grew up watching Vishy Anand play chess. And currently we see I am a part of that Vishy Anand generation. But there will be a new generation of players now who will watch players like Gukesh, Arjun Erigaisi, get inspired and take up the game. Fantastic victory. Thank you very much. It's a fantastic time to be alive if you're a fan of Indian chess.